Okay, so 2024 is about to come and I am definitely thinking of creating a new channel. And I have brought some new ideas on which you can grow your channel easily by making videos. So start directly without wasting time. Well, if you read books etc. or have interest in them, then you can make videos on them, and there is still a lot of competition in this niche. And I myself am a fan of this. I am thinking of making a channel. Motivational videos come on the next number second. If you know how to motivate your college or school friends, and if your voice is also good, then go for it. Make a channel on top of this and motivate others. Memes come on the third place. Now see, you can make videos on the memes, and apart from that you can also add shots, and its audience base is also very high, because which memes are not visible. Video editing comes on the fourth place. Now see, you can make videos on video editing. Nowadays many creators and everyone will have to learn editing, so that's why you can make videos on video editing, and apart from this, you will also get freelancing work from it. So income. Number 5. Satisfying videos will come from two places. You can make videos on satisfying videos like slime etc. and the views on these come in millions, so if you can make satisfying videos, then it is very good. Number 6 is a Euro time lapse or cinema watch videos. If you have a good camera and you are good at editing etc., then go for it. Not only that, you can also earn by selling those videos on other websites. Number 7 is city tour videos. You are above city tour etc. You can make videos. In the beginning you can show some good places of your own city. After that, visit other cities also. Number 8. Storytelling videos. You can make videos on storytelling. This is also very much in trend now. Then you can also make videos on how to do storytelling etc. Number 9. Fake videos. Now see, on top of this you can make content in both long form or short form. But first target a small category. Like if you make it on anime. If you have one, then make it on animals, or you can also tell about space. So start with a small category. Number 10. Shorts. Now you can make videos on the subject of any book. There is very less competition in this right now. You can try number 11. AI related videos. Now see, you know how much AI is in trend, so you can make videos on it also. No. 12. Fitness related videos. Now see, fitness is very much in trend right now, and if your body etc. is good, if you have, then you can make videos on it. Number 13. Case study videos. Now see, if you like doing case studies etc., then you can make videos on it also. Number 14. News videos. Now see, I am not saying that you should become a neon man or become a news boy, but first you can start with a small category like blogging etc., or you can give news about gaming etc. After that you can make videos in more categories, but start with a small category. Number 15. Indian Dadka videos. Now what do I mean by this? Now see, if you consume foreign content and you think that it is not available in India and I can present it in a better way in India, then you should definitely do it. And in this there are very high chances that your channel will grow very quickly. Number 16. How to videos. Now see, there are many videos in this niche. You can start from any category which you know, make how to videos in it, and teach people. Number 17. Creative things tutorial videos. Now watch, if you are creative and make good things, then definitely go for it. On top of this you make videos and you will grow. Well, number 18. Tech related videos. Now watch yours. If you have interest in tech like me, you can make videos on this also, and if you believe me, then try shirts on this, because it has more chances to grow, and apart from this you can also do affiliate marketing etc. so you can earn a good amount of money. Number 19. Fashion related videos. If you are a stylish person, you know fashion etc., well, then you can make a channel on this, and this niche is not too saturated, so if you are a stylish person, then you can make videos on it. Number 20 Cooking shorts. Now look at this then ask about it. Do nt hesitate, it gets very high views on its shorts, and if you know how to cook then start it as soon as possible. Number 21 Finance related video is very demanding, and if you have knowledge about it then go for it. And in YouTube 2 top 10 videos in videos. Now see, this is the easiest niche according to me. I just have to show you the top 10 of everything in the world. But if you are making videos in this niche then learn to make the thumbnail a little attractive. Number 23 Anime related. Now look at the videos, this is quite nice and there is a lot of lack of good YouTube in it, so if you like watching anime etc. then make videos on it, and you know how many anime people watch in public. Number 24 Animation related videos. So if you like watching animation, it comes and you also know how to make stories etc. then go for it, friend, and you know that it is not your type. RG bucket list channels have grown so much that you can try them. And last but not the least, number 25 Moto blogging videos. Now look, I am not saying that just do moto blogging. If you like cars more, then you can make videos on cars. And if you like moto blogging then you can do moto blogging. So, I hope you like any of these 25. If you liked it, then create a channel on it and start a new journey in 2024 and see whether the channel grows or not. You will definitely get a new experience and learn a lot of new things. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye for